Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Gambian Benachin is a truly flavorful and hearty rice dish, a vibrant gem of West African cuisine. It's a complete one-pot meal, perfect for bringing people together and sharing delicious food. Imagine tender fish, an array of fresh vegetables and savory rice, all cooked to perfection. Today, we'll guide you step by step through creating this authentic and incredibly satisfying dish right in your own kitchen. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to bring these wonderful flavors to life. To start your Benachin journey, gather your key ingredients. You'll need good quality broken rice, which cooks up beautifully in this dish. Select fresh, firm fish like barracuda or snapper, along with an assortment of vibrant vegetables such as carrots, eggplant, and sweet potatoes. Crucially, have your tomato paste, onions, garlic, and hot peppers ready. They form the savory foundation of this incredible meal. Freshness really elevates the flavors here, making every bite a delight. Building the flavor base is crucial for authentic Benachin. First, gently fry your seasoned fish until it's beautifully golden, then set it aside. Next, sauté your chopped onions until they're soft and translucent before stirring in the tomato paste. Cook this down until it turns a deep, rich red color, releasing its full sweetness. Now, add water or stock, bring it to a gentle simmer, and carefully add your harder vegetables, letting them cook until they are nearly tender. Once your base is simmering, it's time for the rice. Gently add your pre-washed broken rice to the pot, making sure it's completely submerged in the flavorful broth. Then, carefully arrange the softer vegetables and your fried fish on top of the rice. Remember, no stirring at this stage. Cover the pot tightly and let it simmer slowly over low heat. The rice will gradually absorb all the rich liquid, becoming wonderfully tender and infused with all those amazing flavors. Your Benachin is almost ready to enjoy. Once the rice is cooked, turn off the heat and let the pot rest, still covered, for about 10 minutes. This allows all those incredible flavors to fully meld together. Then, carefully spoon the aromatic rice onto a large serving platter, arranging the tender fish and colorful vegetables on top. Your vibrant Gambian Benachin is now ready. Serve this delicious, hearty meal with pride, knowing you've created a true taste of West Africa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.